Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about DBMS. So what is DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a system or software that manages database. DBMS is a software designed to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage data in a database. It helps to define, manipulate, retrieve, manage data in database. A DBMS generally manipulates the data itself, the data format, field names, record structure, and file structure. These all are done by DBMS. It is also defines the rules to validate and manipulate the data. DBMS also define rules to validate and manipulate the data. DBMS allows users to create their own database as per their requirements. So everyone can create a database as per their requirements. DBMS includes a user of the database and other application programs. It provides an interface between data and the software application. DBMS also provides interface for users and other people to manage. DBMS also provides security and prevents repetition of data. So with the help of DBMS, we have a good security in the data and prevents repetition of data. And it also supports multiple views of data. DBMS management software allows the entities and relations among them to form tables. And it is also follows the ASID concept: automaticity, consistency, isolation, and durability. So this is the concept that DBMS follows. DBMS supports multi-user environment that allows users to access, manipulate data in parallel. So these are popular database management system softwares. The first one is MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, MariaDB, SQLite, and etc. So Microsoft SQL Server is also DBMS. So types of DBMS. There is 4 main types of DBMS: relational database, a network database, object-oriented database, and a hierarchical database. DBMS is just a software that manages the data. So database management system is a software which is used to manage the database. MySQL, MS Server, Oracle are very popular commercial database which is used in different applications. And also DBMS provides an interface to perform various operations like database creation, storing, updating, creating table in database, and more. And also provides protection and security to the database in case of multiple users. It also maintains data consistency. So there is also DBMS task that follows data definition, data updation, data retrieval, and user administration. So in other videos we will learn more about DBMS in deep.